discovery of oil at Burgan oil field, the national priority was to educate and train the Kuwaitis who would be working in the oil industry, resulting in the construction of the company's first training center. On 30th June 1946, Sheikh Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah turned a silver wheel, opening a valve to load Kuwait's first crude oil shipment and a new chapter in the country's history. The proceeds from oil production and sales contributed to the development of Kuwait, making it possible to accomplish many infrastructure and civil service major projects. Ahmadi, located south of Kuwait City, was named after the late ruler, Sheikh Ahmed Al-Jaber Al-Sabah, and was chosen to be the capital of the nation's oil industry. Ahmadi was designed in support of the Kuwait Oil Company. Comfortable housing is provided in a setting filled with trees and parks for the enjoyment of company employees and their families. Medical care is provided. Even leisure time activities are supported. Ahmadi is a good example of the Kuwait Oil Company's commitment to its employees, a dedication which is repaid with loyalty and hard work. A new era of historic importance began on 6 December 1975 with the nationalization of Kuwait's oil industry. An agreement was signed between the state of Kuwait and the two oil companies, British Petroleum and Gulf Oil, giving Kuwait complete control of its oil resources effective 5th of March 1975. Due to the expansion in oil industry operations and by virtue of an Amiri decree, Kuwait Petroleum Corporation was set up in January 1980 to bring together under one umbrella the nationally owned companies operating in the fields of oil production, processing, and transportation. Kuwait Oil Company's responsibilities under the KPC's umbrella are the exploration and production of oil and gas within Kuwait. At the Kuwait Oil Company, planning for the company's future starts with the definition of mission, vision, and goals, and the establishment of an overall corporate strategy. Significantly, the corporate planning function encompasses setting standards for teamwork, a working ethic vital to the development of a well-performing organization. By staying fully committed to the development of its human resources, Kuwait Oil Company hopes to realize its long-cherished goal of retaining its position as one of the foremost amongst the major national oil companies in the world. Kuwait Oil Company has long been committed to a policy of Kuwaitization. Kuwaitization, a priority corporate objective, is being implemented at all levels with remarkable success. Experts in geology, petroleum, and reservoir engineering play a key role in future oil production by locating hydrocarbon reservoirs. When searching for oil, a number of methods are used. Seismic surveys, for example, can create a real-time picture of what lies underground. The seismic survey creates a miniature earthquake, setting waves down through the earth and then back to the Earth's surface. The seismic waves give shape and depth to the oil reservoirs trapped below. The outcome of the seismic survey is utilized to construct the necessary structure maps to describe the subsurface reservoir. The two-dimensional survey is usually used for finding new structures, while the three-dimensional is used for the geological description of an existing reservoir. The models produced from the seismic survey allow geologists and engineers to gain a better overall understanding of the reservoir's characteristics by giving it size and shape. Once the decision is made to start drilling, a complex operation begins. Roads leading to a particular well site must first be paved. An entire camp consisting of offices, living quarters, and other crucial facilities will be transported to the site. During the process of drilling an exploratory well, core samples must be taken from the drilled formation for evaluation. These samples are studied, tagged, and then kept in a warehouse for future reference. Drilling an oil well is no different in concept than drilling a hole in a concrete wall. The basic requirements are a cutting bit, a method for applying weight to the bit, and a means for rotating the bit. A fluid circulation system is then needed to keep the bit cool and to carry away the cuttings from the bottom of the hole. Before the drill bit even arrives on site, technicians from the drilling workshop will have made sure that it is fully prepared. Maintenance technicians from the central workshops will ensure that all the company's equipment is fully operational by using a combination of preventive maintenance and advanced technical training. Central Workshops also bears the responsibility of maintaining most of Kuwait Oil Company's plant and facilities. This duty requires considerable attention to training in a wide variety of mechanical and technical areas. Although for many years oil wells in Kuwait were drilled vertically, Kuwait Oil Company perfected the technique of horizontal drilling. This technology allows a horizontal hole to be drilled through the dip of the oil reservoir. By accessing a larger part of the reservoir's productive zone horizontally, more oil can be extracted from a single well, instead of using the costly method of several vertical wells. Because drilling a well is such an expensive and intricate operation, lengthy delays caused by equipment breakdown are unacceptable. This is one reason why central stores is so crucial, a mammoth logistical operation contained in several buildings. Central stores warehouses all the spare parts for every piece of equipment in KOC. Flow pipes for carrying the crude will be laid from the drilling site well head to the next step of the process, called the gathering center. Each gathering center is the hub of a network of flow pipes leading in from 50 or more different wells. In addition to its operations, Kuwait Oil Company is also engaged in a joint venture with the Saudi Arabian Texaco Incorporation at a production area known as Wafra. The Wafra operation is located in a zone directly between the borders of the state of Kuwait and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Once the oil arrives at the gathering center, it first flows into a mix point called the headers